It was one of those nights when legends are made, a moment suspended in time at Anfield, where the weight of 30 years of heartbreak pressed down on every player and fan. The stadium held its breath as Mohamed Salah stood ready, the fate of Liverpool hanging on his next move. With defenders closing in and the clock ticking mercilessly, Salah unleashed a shot that shattered decades of doubt and ignited a fire in the hearts of an entire city. This was more than just a goal. It was the fulfillment of a promise he made the day he arrived, to fight relentlessly, to bring glory back where it belonged. That goal changed everything. If you want to dive deeper into stories like this and witness the power of dedication and ambition in football and beyond, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Getway TV, and ring the bell. Join our community and never miss a moment of the journey to greatness. Salah arrived at Liverpool in 2017 with big expectations. Few could have predicted the heights he would reach. In his first season, he scored 32 Premier League goals, smashing records and winning the Golden Boot. But it wasn't just about numbers. When the team faced setbacks, Salah's leadership and relentless spirit became the driving force. He wasn't just a scorer, he was the embodiment of Liverpool's rebirth. One of the most iconic moments came in the 2019 Champions League final. Salah scored an early penalty under immense pressure, setting Liverpool on the path to their sixth European crown. This goal wasn't just about a trophy, it was a statement that Liverpool's dream was alive again, led by an Egyptian king who refused to back down. His ability to deliver when it mattered most became a hallmark of his time with the Reds. Through seasons of triumph and challenge, Salah's commitment never wavered. In 2024-25, he recorded 33 goals and 23 assists, powering Liverpool to end a 30-year Premier League title drought. His 95th-minute penalty winners and clutch goals are etched in the memories of fans worldwide. Each goal was a promise kept, a testament to his determination to never give up and to push the limits. Beyond the trophies and stats, Salah's influence renewed the spirit of Liverpool football. He brought belief back to the dressing room and hope back to the stands. Younger players found inspiration in his work ethic. The fans found pride in his passion. Salah didn't just play for the club, he transformed it. For anyone chasing a dream or battling the odds, Salah's story is a powerful reminder that bold promises backed by relentless effort can rewrite history. This isn't just a sports story. It's a triumph of heart, spirit, and unshakable commitment. If this journey into the heart of football inspires you, like this video, subscribe to Getway TV and ring the bell. More thrilling stories and unforgettable moments await, and the best is yet to come.